Other cities getting a reprieve from heavy rain this weekend with only light showers forecast. But that's cold comfort for many people in informal settlements who are homeless after flooding earlier this week.
Of course, eNCA's Nobesuthu Hejana tells us more on that.
These people have nowhere else to go. Their homes were flooded by the heavy rains earlier this week. They say there's been a lack of assistance from the Disaster Management Center and the Housing Department, so they are seeking refuge at the KHANG Community Hall.
Saendaba ke ngokunokwethu sithatha isigqibo soba sizozithathela iholo yoluntu manje ngathi sinikiwe asinikwanga ndifuna uyifihla la ndawo sizamile ke ukuya kwinkokheli zethu esiziphetheyo azafumaneka.
WELISWA MADENYUKA has been staying in this house with her family since 2018. She says all her appliances, food and clothing are wet. Earlier attempts to elevate the home were unsuccessful.
Siyakhupha siyenyusa izindlu akho kwanto sincedayo esoon sigalela umhlaba uyehla because umanzi apha ngaphansi.
Community leaders say they are still waiting for help from disaster management.
Badla ngosinceda ngemilingi, badla ngosinceda ngesend, itruck babeka iload kwindawo ngendawo abahlali wepayi bayozinceda khona ngekiriva bakhe bathuthele ezindlini zabo. Kodwa ke ngoku asiyiboni lonto iza kwenzeka. Sijonge nenjengabantu abafailwayo ngoku ku disaster.
The SA Weather Service says while no heavy rain is expected over the weekend, another cold front will hit the city midweek.
Next week, we are expecting a cold front likely to make landfall on Wednesday evening into Thursday, but not as intense as what we have experienced the past couple of days. So we do expect some rainfall out of this cold front, nothing more than 15 millimeters at this stage. So at this stage, we're not going out for any alert.
No alerts have been issued by the South African Weather Service as heavy rains leading to flooding aren't expected. Nobesuthu Hejana, Cape Town.